Chris, and this is my Husky portable air compressor update video and review. So we're out here in the woods driving around in the middle of nowhere. It's cool in the morning and you wake up, find a low pressure. You got to get to work, so you go ahead and drive it like that. You get to work and you notice it's a little low. Of course, we can stop what we're doing and go find a gas station or go back home. Or we can just stop right here and add some air. So the tire's a little low. Running it like that's probably not going to damage it, but you still need to air it up as soon as possible. I'm doing a 1-year review on this because I got a few negative comments. Some people were saying I used it once, it broke. Some person said the hose busted off of it instantly. I don't know what the heck those people are doing with their machine, but I've already aired up like 30 tires with this and it still looks brand new. Set it on the ground, hook it up to the tire. Hooked up to the tire, now the tire becomes our air tank and we can see the pressure on it. So in that other video, some nerd in the comments was like, I would have really liked to have seen you use another gauge to confirm the accuracy of that one. It doesn't matter. We need air in the tire. It really doesn't matter if this is off a little bit or not. You know, we're not trying to shave 1/10 of a second off our quarter-mile time right now, so we don't need to be exact. But we can see we are low for a fact. The only quirk, if any, is that the tire is now the tank. There is no valve on this. It's either on or off, and you can overinflate the tire and blow it up. You may not explode a car tire, but a bike tire for sure. Get your butt out of there. Oh my God, I gotta answer the phone.
Generator not running.
Shut up.
119.1. You selected accept. Thank you.
Oh, we forgot about it. Oh, perfect. All right, 33, 34. Perfect. Shut it off quickly. Then I just put it back together like this. Right back in the bag. Beautiful. Middle of nowhere, that noise, there's a plant back there. I work right there, but there's nobody out here. I've been filming for 8 minutes and now our tire is aired up. We can go on with our day. All thanks to the Husky portable air compressor. And people talking about there's broke, this and that. You take this back to Home Depot, just like this in the bag, and they'll give you a brand new one, no questions asked. The point of the video, I'm out here by myself. We don't have time to go to a gas station or go back home with the air compressor. In less than 10 minutes, we had a low tire and now we are ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.